This is probably one of the wildest videos I ever shot. 4th of July weekend.
On the f***ing vlog, man.
We in Austin, Texas, baby.
Let's got some
Then y'all probably wondering, kid, why the f this shit blurred out, bro? Listen, y'all already know if I was to drop this whole uncut version on YouTube, bro, my channel's gonna be gone by tomorrow, man. But listen, straight though, I got the whole uncut version on Patreon, man. So listen, make sure after y'all done with this video, click the link down in the description to see what really went down. Cause half of the stuff that was done on this video did not get posted on YouTube. But kid gonna give y'all a little extra sneak peek though. Let me know what y'all think.
Bust it like you can. Bro, you know who you are, right? Cool, take it low. Put in that.
I gotta look for a lot of stuff.
Dave driving the boat, he got a whole scenery with him.
I fly private when I go. Ain't no layover on that. Yeah, I'm moving to the top, to the sea still.
Friend, we just got out here, shot o'clock already.
Of course you did. It's always did.
Shot o'clock.
Where we at right now? Y'all ain't the Houston squad girls?
Hell no.
Y'all the Texas girls though, huh?
Yup.
Oh, this nigga the DL.
Yeah.
Oh my God, boy. Hey man, look. You can be moving so last minute, bro. Hey, tell them this shit was on the fly.
Hey, it was. Hey,
Bruh,
everybody saying
I'm
something.
talking about 8 hours before and we here. It's hot. But look, man, kid can handle this Texas heat. I might f around, stumble on a jet ski, and I don't know where the Prime and them boys at, so I'm on a solo mission this trip, all right? What's up, good? Chill. Vibing. You know what's Hey, this is my first conversation. You know we did. But I gotta see enough of that I thought I was on a solo mission, man. Y'all know y'all need to fucking come with kids, nigga.
Oh my God, it's Wham.
It's Wham. Big A. When he jump in the water, tycoon vibes. You ain't be better know how to swim. You a fool. Shot. Alright, maybe these niggas is lit. He got the MTK merge. These niggas been locked in.
Original in that.
Okay.
Come on now.
We live in action and Dallas with it. No shot o'clock yet? It's shot o'clock? Prime and shot pulled up, huh? You see what you said? What you said?
Them niggas really act like that shit in real life.
I be picking with them boys in real life, huh?
Nah, that shit crazy.
Okay, the only one I can pick with them boys and get away with it.
Every shot o'clock out there, yeah.
Hey Dave, I gotta try the boat. You know I'm certified now. Hey, you see part right there. They done crashed jewelry, man. They litter than me. You good?
That shit the homemade.
Hey, who playing music? Which one is? Dave, you ain't married.
This is just the right amount.
Dave ain't married. The captain ain't married. So you can look. Dave driving the boat. He got a whole scenery with him.
I gotta look for a lot of stuff on the boat.
Okay.
We'll hit other boats.
She's sexy. I need a jet ski, bro.
You like a YouTuber or something?
Yeah, nigga. We on the f***ing vlog, man.
We in Austin, Texas, baby.
Next time I should be in Miami. I said I gotta try new things, though.
Oh, this is where the activity is at. Oh. Okay, Patreon.
She said, where are the shoes?
Yeah, if nothing, nigga. Hey, Austin, y'all came from Miami to Austin. Me and my brother is Austin. Miami to Austin, man. You know how we do it. Popping shit out here all summer. Yeah, you know we live down there. Hey, yeah. I ain't see him long. Turn around.
You know she had to do it. She had to do it.
Press interview, you know I'm good with this, man.
What's your sign?
I got the best sign on earth.
You gonna say money sign.
I'm a Pisces.
Pisces are, it's the best sign.
What's yours?
Cancer, my birthday's on Tuesday. What's your sign? My birthday's on Tuesday. Like,
You know my sign is? Kid?
Sign is money.
Everybody get along with. Money sign.
What I say, bro? He been saying that for the longest, but it worked.
Real shit. They don't like when they don't get it their way, huh? Ain't that right? That's what she needs. She needs some water.
you need some water. Why are you trying to fight? Like, what?
Oh, Shan can? Hey, don't give me the cooties now. You brush your teeth this morning? Hey, how this boat thing going, y'all?
We damn near tipped the boat at least 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times.
You fuck with the bullshit? Liquor is water out here in Houston, no cap. Post interview, man. What you thinking, kid?
Man, this shit lit. It's the place to be. The fuck? Austin, I'm playing.
What girl you taking home with you tonight?
Shit, I ain't gonna lie. We gonna keep it P. We gonna keep it P. Everybody gang. They can come back to me to be B. We can chill.
Okay.
Party, turn up. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Oh, you taking home with you?
I don't take home one, I take home a few.
Nah, okay, I'll take home a few. Don't take home one, I'll take home a few.
Like good drugs. Hell no. More cushion for the pushing. Okay. And that motherfucker keep you warm in the winter.
Motherfucker keep me warm in the winter.
That's so much ass, bro.
Nigga better put me fucking playing them like that. Them niggas savages out there. I'm not fucking playing no more. Okay. Y'all niggas roll a little greasy in there.
Damn, it's a lot of ass. Yo.
I'm in that shit, nigga. Hey, Shaq. Look at kid, look at kid, look at kid.
Yo, I'm touching a lot of ass every day.
No, I ain't gonna lie. In the building, man. Oh, my I was gonna take you get me for that.
They can't even take pictures, there's too much ass everywhere.
Get it. Hit you.
Yo, one thing for Suave always popping up in the cut, bro. Yeah, it was just too much ass.
And a bitch like me.
What about niggas like me?
What about it?
You got a little time on your lip. So look, you got my number, you got your phone. You know what I'm trying to put down on your home camera? You might get cracked. I'm unplug this. I'm gonna drive you home.
Are you not?
You gonna even find your phone, bro. Yo, I don't like that bipolar shit. I'll leave you right here, right now.
Because I'm not bipolar. Baby, I got a degree. Do you have a degree?
For real? You gonna be my lawyer?
I'm have an exercise science degree.
You gonna be my lawyer?
No.
Don't play with the grown man food. Yo. Don't play with the grown man food, bro. Yo, come on, bro.
She's trying to get crushed.
You're not.
Hey, you a kid, bro.
You're at me, babe.
Yeah, you a kid, bro.
I'm a kid. Not.
Come on, bro.
Oh.
Yo, bro.
Oh.
I don't know what freaky ass shit be going on out here in Texas where this girl just think
Yo.
it's fucking normal to smack my ass and shit, man. What the fuck, bro?
You letting that slide, kid?
Yo. Oh my gosh, bro.
You letting that slide?
Wrestling me for my burger. Literally, I can't even make this shit up, bro. Like, my life not real, bro. And the fact that she just felt comfortable. Dog, good thing kid know how to hold his reflexes, cause I was going, hey, that shit ain't slotted, man.
That's what I'm about to say.
Any other girls watching this shit, don't try to do that shit, because I'm not sparing the next person next time, alright? We back to the video.
Yeah, bro, what's up, bro? Good luck. You see how you playing, right?
Nah, man, thank y'all. We try to do the best we can for two.
It's Texas for y'all, bro.
Oh,
What's
word.
in the burger?
God damn, Tyler.
Word? Just eating a burger.
Hold on, y'all thought kid was finished? Oh no, I like mamas too. Listen, bruh, audio didn't record this part, so I'm gonna give y'all boys a voiceover, man. Shawty was looking for her phone, bro. I don't know where the fuck her phone was at. I don't know what the fuck was going on. But out of nowhere, man, the captain just came out on the kid, and she was just, no, bro, I was just a magnet after the whole time. I really was just trying to eat my burger, bro. Like, y'all peep the scene, man. Kid ain't even worrying about nothing else on this earth. You feel me? I grilled me up a nice little burger. I put extra barbecue on there. I ain't playing with nobody, you feel me? But nah, like, she just came up on some random shit and just started fucking with the kid, and I was just like, sheesh. I ain't gonna lie, I'm loving it for real. But I think other shawty peep, the old lady was on me and shit, but you know, that wasn't nothing, man. You know, kid got a win-win, man. You feel me? I got both numbers, you feel me? I got both, and you know, same thing, different days. You know, you might need one for this day, you might need one for that day. So, you know, WK in the comments, go ahead, spam it, you feel me? Spam the gold emoji with it, you know.
WK.
I do this with no effort, man.
The older lady like me?
Oh, I don't fucking know. You already have my number. What the hell?
I know, you gave it to me.
Why did you act like you didn't know me?
What you mean? I ain't gonna lie, this shit crazy, bro.
Why is he fucking standing there like that?
I'm recording my documentary.
No.
Yo! Come on, let's find it. What happened? What sign you is?
Pisces. Oh my god.
Oh, you a Pisces?
This is not it. This is not the time.
Y'all emotional, but we gonna get along. Come on.